Firstly, since I don't have perfect pitch, find sheet music, which I use MuseScore. Used to be free, but now you have to pay for it. And here's how it sounds like when I rearrange the song to be in Noteblock sounds. Alright, so I have put in the first page of the Marvel Fanfare. I am trying to get the timing of it. That is the first thing I do. So, let's see. So if I do this... Ooh, well, I guess if I wanted it faster, I'd do that, but it does seem a smidge fast from the way it actually goes, so... Let's bump up the timing a bit, because, yeah, I do this for every intro. Okay, that one's a bit better. If I need to change it, I'll do it, but then we need to see... Let's just finish it. Boom. Boop, 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 boop. Next up is technical support, and this is the part where the command blocks come in. Usually I'd be doing something like particles or cloning or filling various blocks, but for this particular one I needed something a little bit more technical than I could handle, which is why I had Cactus, or I requested Cactus to come in and see about making Thor's hammer. I am not going to try and pronounce that. But, yeah. So, what he did, basically, is make an invisible slime, basically sit on top of my head, so when I equip the hammer, you can see it for a blip second, and you can see the particles. And when Tickles playing Thor is actually able to, hit it, it just makes it look like he's striking himself with lightning. So, amazing magic, all possible by Cactus. Thank you, Cactus. The title is interchangeable with the effects, because I can do either one either way. Doesn't really matter which order. But I use an online mural maker, and it's still not the best method, but it does give me the overall shape, and then I just go in afterwards and spend an hour or 3 sometimes fixing up everything to be the way I want it to be. And recording and starting the song. Dang it! One moment. I need to reset this. I hit the wrong button and didn't vanish myself or go into cinematic view. And I'm still recording. And recording again. And here we go. Okay, go. Along. Go. And Thor, I believe, drop. And yeah.
Oh.
I flubbed my flying.
Yeah, I think this was another shoot.
Good grief. Oh, Sarah. I am mixing
Can't
up.
get the timing. I can't
And
get
I'm
the
so
timing.
far behind the.
Oh god.
It's fast.
Oh wait, let's get over there.
It's too fast. I can't even
Yeah.
get over there.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm not even sure when to start timing.
So I'm going, Alon, go, 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 go. Why are you not going?
It's like I was going, but then I like fat fingered my buttons, and then I'm like on the ground, and it's not working.
And control R recording. F1 mode for me. Okay, and playing Alon, go. And Tickles, go. And music, your turn.
Now it works.
Okay, Sarah.
Okay.
Okay, and you two run off. Run off, go. Illogical.
My X didn't work.
Okay, and run, Keri, run. Jump, run.
I'm going as fast as me body can go.
Okay, everybody there.
Nope.
And scatter.
Ooh.
Ready to
Yep.
fly.
Okay, and F1 recording, and okay, go along. And Tickles, yep. Maestro, Logical, Sarah,
Go, 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 go.
and
go,
Keri,
go,
yep, go. And run, Keri. Here we go.
go. Oh.
And scatter.
I think that was good.
I was so close to hitting the Noteblock, but I pressed backwards just in time.
Should be good.